Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI MediaPad T3 and I'm gonna show you how to clear the credentials on this device. We need to open the settings first, and to do it, let's tap the settings icon right here. Once in settings, let's scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Here let's tap on additional settings. Now let's scroll down and find clear credentials. Let's tap on it, tap OK. Now we need to enter the pattern if we have one. And as you can see, the credential storage has been cleared. And that's how you clear the credentials on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.